Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on SafePal application. If you're trying to change your display language for SafePal app and you don't know how, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open your SafePal application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up the settings interface. Scroll down until you see the language option and tap on it. You can now select your preferred language from the list displayed on the screen. In order to select a language, simply tap on one of the languages and there you have successfully changed your display language on SafePal. You can get to this page and repeat the process every time you would like to change your language setting. So that's how easy it is to change your display language on SafePal application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.